You can still use Grok, Veo, and Kling AI completely for free, and in this video, I am going to show you the exact website where you access all of them with no subscription and unlimited video generation. If you have been looking with Grok AI for free and get access to Super Grok without paying anything, this video is exactly what you have been waiting for. So make sure you watch till the very end. I'm going to show you how to get full access to Super Grok AI for free and exactly how to use it to generate unlimited videos. Let us jump straight into it right now.
So guys, this is the AI tool we'll be using today to access our Grok AI CDS 2.0 and Kling AI and VO3. Other AI tools we are going to get access to them through this AI tool. So you can get access to this AI tool through your browser. You can just go to your Google Chrome. So you can go to your Google Chrome and you can also do it with your phone, with your laptop, anyone. It's all the same method. So all you just need to do, just search for the name of the AI tool. As you can see the name here, it is called Kling AI. This is the name of the AI here. So you click on this first one you are seeing, this first link you are going to see when you search for the name of the AI tool, which is called Open API for all the best AI model. Try affordable for free. So you can just click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to open. So when it's open, all you just need to do is just to register your account. And when you register account, you can see where you can start generating videos with it. So this is how the AI tool is. As you can see, say access the world best video, image, music, and LLM models in one app. So this app API give you access to multiple AI tools which you can use. You can see a lot of AI tools which you can use to start generating videos for free. Yes, of course, it's a paid platform, but you can also use it as a trial to generate videos for free as a beginner. So if you don't know about the AI tool, you can use the AI tool as a trial to start using it for free. All you just need to do, just click on and you click on explore API key here, API, this first one here, you click on it, this one here, and when you click on it, it's going to open, and when it's open, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, or you can click on this try CDS 2.0 up here. Anyone you click is all the same thing. Now, as you can see, say model set, you can see image to video, text to video, video to video. As you can see, CDS 2.0 here, as you can see, CDS 2.0, and if you are not okay with that, you can also come to interface like this, where you're going to see different type of AI tool. As you can see, image to video, image to image, text to video, text to image, any one you want to use. And you can also see different type of AI model here. As you can see, Gemini, Omni Flash, Grok AI, Banana, CDS 2.0. You are going to see a lot of AI tools. All of these templates people have used. You can choose any one you want to use. For example, now let's come to text to video. Let's come to text to video or image to video. Anyone, let's click on text to video. When you click text to video, you are going to see a model which you can use for text to video. Now, let me show you what example of what I'm telling you. For example, if you want to use Grok AI right now, all you need to do, you can come down here and search for Grok. You can just search for Grok here. As you can see this search bar, just search for Grok like this. And when you search for Grok, you are going to see Grok here. As you can see Grok here, you tap on Grok. Now, when you tap on Grok, they are going to give you different type of AI model where you are going to see Grok, as you can see here, or you click on this like this. Now, this is Grok here, as you can see, Grok 4.5, Grok 4.3, Grok. So you can see Grok here. Now, as you can see, Grok Imagine video generation, that is 1.5. Now, let's click on try it. Now, when you click on try it, it's going to open. Now, we want to test Grok, and after we test Grok, I'm also going to show you other AI tools. Now, as you can see, run with API. So all you just need to do, just scroll down here. When you scroll down, this is where you can put your prompt. If you have your own prompt you want to use, this is where you can put your prompt here. Let me reduce this more so that you guys are going to see it very well. Let me bring this down. So this is where you are going to put your prompt. As you can see, this is the prompt used to generate this video. As you can see, now after you put your prompt here, this is where you can upload your image. This is the image they use to generate this video. You can put your image here. Now, after you put your image, you can select your aspect ratio, your resolution, your duration, and you can create up to 15 seconds. As you can see, up to 15 seconds, and you click on run, and it will start generating the video. Now, let's try something new. Let's try something new. So I'm going to remove this prompt here. I'm going to click on remove. remove the prompt, also everything here, even the prompt, I'm going to remove it. And after I click on remove, I'm going to replace it with my own. So all you just need to do, just remove everything, remove the prompt, and you paste your prompt here, and you upload your image if you have any image. So let me upload a sample of image from my laptop right now. So this is the image I want to, or let's say this, or anyone I want to. So I can just let me use this, and I'll click on open, and when I click on open, the image is uploading right now. And after the image is uploaded, I can decide to paste my prompt here. So let me go and copy my prompt from ChatGPT so that I can paste my prompt here and generate the video using this AI, and you guys are going to see how the AI will generate the video for me. Now let me go back to ChatGPT so that I can copy my video prompt. Now this is my prompt here from ChatGPT. Now going back to the AI tool, I'm going to paste my prompt here. And after pasting the prompt, the next thing I'm going to do is to select the duration aspect ratio. So I'm going to put it 9:16. And after that, our resolution 720p, and duration, let's put it 6 seconds or 4 seconds or 5 seconds, 5 seconds, just to test this first. And after that, you are going to see run here. As you can see run, you click on this run, and when you click on run, it will start generating your video for you in less than 1 minute, and you are going to see your result. So let's allow it, and you guys are going to see the video now. As you can see, generating content. Now it's generating this video right now. So you guys have seen it's generating the video. I don't need to subscribe, I don't need to pay for anything, and I'm generating video using Grok right now. And you can also use other AI tools, other AI platforms, and you can also use other AI model. So let's allow it to complete this video generation, and I'm going to show you guys how the result is going to look like. Finally, this is the result here. Let me show you guys, this is the result. As you can see, this is the result, just the way I gave it the image. So let's play it. Let me play it. This is the result. So let's play.
This is the biggest harvest I've seen. We'll be working until sunset.
So that is the result you guys just watch right now. If you want to download, you are going to see download here. As you can see download here, you just click on download, and the video is going to start downloading to your phone. So just click on download. As you can see, it's downloading up here. As you can see downloading, you can download it to your phone. Now you can also do test to video. I want us to test another AI tool again. And to do this, as you can see here, you are going to see AI API. You are going to see AI videos, as you can see. So anyone you want to use, you can use Cadence 3.0. You can use any AI model you want to use, Kling AI. And when you check here, when you click on this AI video, you are going to see other AI model you can use. As you can see, we have tried Grok. You can also use VO3. You can use Cadence 2.0. All these AI tools, anyone you want to use, as you can see them here, you can try them. If you want to also generate image, when you come to image, you can also see them here. As you can see, Nano Banana and other AI tools, anyone you want to use if you want. So this is how you can use this AI tool and get access to Grok AI, Cadence 2.0, Kling AI, and other AI models we want to use and be generating videos for free. So it's just a free trial they will give you, and after that free trial is over, they'll ask you to upgrade before you can generate your next video. So this is how this AI tool works. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do wait to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.